everyone, this is me once again, Teacher Christy from Davao City National High School. And in this video, we are going to discuss one of the four methods of solving quadratic equations. Solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. But before that, let's have a review on square and square roots. How to square a number. To square a number, multiply it by itself. Example, what is the square of 3? 3 squared. Multiply 3 by itself 2 times. 3 times 3 and it gives us 9. Another example, 4 squared. Multiply 4 2 times by itself and it gives us 16. 11 squared. Multiply 11 by itself 2 times. 11 times 11 is equal to 121. Negative numbers. We can also square negatives. What happens when we square negative 5? Negative 5 squared. Multiply negative 5 by itself 2 times. Negative 5 times negative 5 and it gives us 25. More examples. Negative 6 squared. Multiply negative 6 2 times by itself. Negative 6 times negative 6, it gives us 36. Negative 3 squared. Multiply negative 3 by itself 2 times. Negative 3 times negative 3, and it gives us positive 9. Try this. 10 squared, negative 5 squared, negative 10 squared, and 5 squared. Pause this video for a while and answer this. In your notebook, take a picture and send it to me in the messenger. Now, let's proceed. Square roots. Square roots. A square root goes the other way. Look at the picture. 3 squared is 9, so a square root of 9 is 3. Square root symbol. The square root symbol is the special symbol that means square root. It is sort of like a tick, and actually started hundreds of years ago as a dot with a flick upwards. It is called the radical and always makes mathematics look important. We use it like this, and we say square root of 9 equals 3. Example, square root of 16. Please observe, 16 is a perfect square number. So we can factor 16, 4 times 4, rewrite, it becomes 4 squared, cancel out 2 and the radical symbol. What is left is 4. So square root of 16 is 4. Another example, negative square root of 25. 25 is a perfect square number, so it gives us 5 times 5, rewrite, it becomes 5 squared, cancel out 2 and the radical symbol, and what is left is negative 5. So negative square root of 25 is negative 5. Another example, square root of 16 over 25. Both 16 and 25 are perfect square number. So 4 times 4 and 5 times 5. Rewrite. Square root of 4 squared over 5 squared and rewrite the radical symbol. Square root of 4 squared over square root of 5 squared, and then cancel out the 2's and the radical symbols. And what is left is 4 over 5. So therefore, square root of 16 and 25 is 4 over 5. Try this. Pause this video for a while and answer this in your notebook. Take a picture and send it to me in the messenger. Now, let's proceed. Solving quadratic equation by extracting square roots. The method of solving the quadratic equation x squared is equal to k is called extracting square roots. Quadratic equations that can be written in the form x squared is equal to k can be solved by applying the following properties. Property number 1. If k is greater than 0, then x squared is equal to k has two real solutions or roots. So our answer therefore is x is equal to positive negative square root of k. Example, find the roots of the equation x squared minus 16 is equal to 0. Write the equation in the form x squared is equal to k by using additive inverse. X squared minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 0 plus 16, and it gives us x squared is equal to 16. Extract, it becomes square root of x squared is equal to square root of 16. Since 16 is a perfect square number, so we factor this out. 4 times 4. Cancel the 2 on the left side, and it is left x. Since 4 times 4 is the factors of 16, so we will rewrite this to 4 squared and then cancel out 2 and the radical symbol, and our answer is x is equal to positive and negative 4. Check by substituting the values. For x is equal to 4, please observe we got 0 is equal to 0. For x is equal to negative 4, as you observe, we get 0 is equal to 0. Both values of x satisfy the given equation, so the equation x squared minus 16 is equal to 0, and it is true when x is 4 or when x is negative 4. The equation x squared minus 16 is equal to 0 has two solutions, and these are 4 and negative 4. Property number 2. If k is equal to 0, then x squared is equal to k has one real solution or root. So our answer is x is equal to 0. Example, solve the equation t squared is equal to 0. Since the equation is in the form of x squared is equal to k, then the equation has only one solution or root. Let's prove it. T squared is equal to 0. Square root of t squared is equal to square root of 0. Cancel 2 and the radical symbol. What is left is t, and square root of 0 is 0. So t is equal to 0. Let's check by substituting the values. Observe. For t is equal to 0, we got 0 is equal to 0. The equation t squared equals 0 has one solution. T equals 0. Property number 3. If k is less than 0, then x squared is equal to k has no real solutions or roots. Example, find the roots of the equation s squared plus 9 is equal to 0. Write the equation in the form x squared is equal to k. S squared plus 9 is equal to 0. Use additive inverse. S squared plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 0 minus 9, and it gives us s squared is equal to negative 9. Since negative 9 is less than 0, then the equation s squared is equal to negative 9 has no real solution or roots. Try this. Find the solutions of the equation quantity x minus 4 squared minus 25 is equal to 0. Have fun!